Your YouTube ads don't need to go viral, but they do need to run while your competitors are sleeping. Listen, one local video targeting your service area can do more than your SEO in like a month. Just show your team your trucks and your tone, because people buy from who they recognize, right? So imagine that you shoot some stuff with your phone, you're talking to the camera, much like I am now. You say who you are and where you serve and what your problem that you solve, right? It's raw, sure, but that means it's also going to be sincere and authentic. Then you package that up, you run it as an ad across your favorite neighborhoods. Well, on YouTube, you're going to catch the homeowner, because that's where they go every time they have a problem to solve in the home. So why don't you be there to greet them?